Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should launch the Google application and after that click here on the right upper corner, then just tap to the settings and click to the Google Assistant. Now scroll down to the general options. And here you'll see the Google Assistant. To turn it off, you should click here only once on the switcher and then confirm your action by tap to turn off. And that's it. By this way, you can turn off Google Assistant on your Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.